Ladies and gentlemen, how you guys doing? Welcome to Hey Bartender. My name is Gustavo Rojas, your personal bartender, rushing things up right in this studio slash kitchen slash bar. Today, we're gonna be saying a little nice cheers and a shout to a really good friends of all of us. Hey Bartender is turning 1 year, you guys. Thank you very much for your support. We are this close to the first 1,000 viewers. We are over 60,000 views, and we're still rocking. So thank you very much for all the love and the appreciation. On three, 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Let's celebrate with an old-fashioned style Oaxaca. The Oaxaca old fashioned today in Hey Bartender. Cheers! The Oaxaca Old Fashioned. Very cool, you guys. Today we're going to be using a couple amazing and really good liqueurs. A lot of people has been like, hey, you know what? There's some other stuff that you've been showing in your videos, and we cannot find them. Well, these ones you're not going to have a problem, okay? We're going to be using Mi Familia, Flores, Reposado, Tequila. This thing is just amazing. The actual flavor is really good. The bottle is just beautiful. It has a really nice measure ounce, and I have agave plant on top that you can use to actually measure your shots. And we're going to be using Mezcal, Amaraz, Espadín to just give it a little nice kick of the Oaxaca style, okay? So here we go, you guys. Also, we're going to be using Piloncillo, and we're going to be using the chocolate mole bitters. Here we go. So let's start building our cocktail, and we're going to start putting by adding 1.5 ounces of Mi Familia Flores, Reposado, followed by the Oaxaca style Espadín Joven Amaraz. This one is going to be 1/2 ounce. Now we're going to need some piloncillo. Piloncillo is basically, it is a brown sugar Mexican style, you guys. You can find it in eBay. You can find it in any Mexican market, Hispanic market. You won't have any problem. Basically, you're going to get like a 1/4 of it, and you're going to dilute it in a cup of water. And what it makes it is just like a really, gives you like a really nice nutty smell into it. And it smells a little bit like a tamarindo, but I don't know, I'm not really good on describing the actual aromas of syrup, but it is very, very tasty. We're gonna go for 1/2 ounce. We're gonna grab our chocolate mole bitters, and we're gonna go for 5 chocolate bitters. Let's get some ice. And let's just chill this guy. All right, this guy's basically done. Let's get our rock. As a birthday wish, Hey Bartender is going to be working on making clear ice spheres. Promise that. So we have our ice sphere. Let's strain our cocktail into it. And to finalize, we're gonna grab, obviously with your cheese slider, you're gonna get a really nice thick orange peel. And the way to do a really nice garnish, you're gonna get all the white off, make it as skinny as possible, and with your knife, you're gonna proceed to do 1 cut from the center to the edge, and then on the sides, 2 more, and then 1 long one in the center. Why? Because eventually you just do this, and you have a beautiful presentation for your Oaxaca Old Fashioned. Happy birthday, hey bartender. Thank you everyone for the love and support. Let's keep drinking. Cheers, everyone.